Hi everyone, welcome back to Engineers Tech Up channel. So in this video, guys, many of them are confused. When you are planning to learn the automation, right? So many of them are confused. Should I go for Java Selenium? Should I go for Python Selenium or Playwright? Okay. So right now in the market, right? So whatever I have discussed, Java Selenium, Python Selenium or Playwright. So Playwright is also going to boom in the market. But if you are a very beginner, I will suggest you guys please go through some basics concept. Okay. So still, market is looking for more than 70%. They're going to, if you will go for the job description, your mandatory skill with Java, with Python. And I could see like Java, they are demanding the more Java skill set. Why? Because Java, when you will learn the Java skill, right? So we are able to see what is happening internally, right? So when you will learn one object oriented programming language, so if you are a beginner, you can go for the Java or you can go for the Python. So you can select any of them. But if I will suggest you, if I am a beginner, I will go for Java first. Okay. If you know the Java, then it is easy to learn any object oriented programming language, very in short period of the time. So sometimes the company will hire you as a Java and they will ask you to, are you able to learn or are you able to work with your Python, or are you able to work in your JavaScript. So this thing happened with me, guys. So I was a Java resources, so I have learned Java Selenium, and mostly I worked with the Java Selenium project previously. But in the current project, so some of the project, they have taken the interview on Java skill set, and they asked me the project is on Python, so are you able to do it? Even I learned the Python before, I have a knowledge of the Python, so it took less time. But if you are a beginner also, if you don't know the Python or if you know Java very well, so it is very easy to learn Python. So if you will go for the Playwright, so nowadays, companies asking for the Playwright. Okay, so you can also learn Playwright in very minimal time. Okay, so either you, mostly company they are using JavaScript with Playwright. Even one of the projects I have worked on the JavaScript Playwright. Even I was very beginner, so they have given few days time to learn. Even I quickly learn within 1 week. Okay, so this is what I am sharing my experience. Okay, sometime what happen, if you are a Java resource or if you are a Python resource or if you are a work with a different technology, right? So what happens, sometime the in the client also will ask you, can you work with this technology? So you should not say no. This is your bad impression. So sometimes what happened, many of them are rejected in the client round and final managerial round. Reason behind it, you have to, your attitude must having like a learning. Okay, so if someone will ask you to learn the different technology, are you able to do it? Your answer should be yes. If you don't have a learning attitude, then definitely you will lose your job. Okay, and you have to make this, in the IT sector, might be today Selenium, now Playwright, after few year, will come in the different technology. Then you have to make the habit to learning yourself. Okay, if you will stick with only one skill set, I know that it's a very difficult to learn the newer skill. But if you are good in the one skill, it won't be take much time to learn the different skill set, guys. Okay, so please do not confuse that. You can go for, if you are a beginner, then you can go for Java Selenium or Python Selenium at your wish. If you know the Java Selenium, and definitely you can go for JavaScript with Playwright, because Playwright having the few extra features what we have in the Selenium, and it is more stable as compared to Selenium. So if you already know, then you should go for Playwright. Sometimes the people is completely confused. Should I go for some codeless automation tools? As a beginner, no, do not go for codeless automation tools. In the last, what happened when you will go for any company or any interview, and definitely you have to do the programming. From there you will stuck, even you will not get the more interview calls as well. Okay, so better you can go for programming. Okay, programming, any you can learn the programming. You can start with Java, Selenium, Python, Selenium, or JavaScript, the Playwright. So you can, as a beginner, you can go for Python, Selenium, or Java, Selenium. For Python, for Java, Selenium, even we are providing the live training, and we have already launched the courses. If you want to enroll the courses, if you are a very beginner, if you don't know the coding also, we have started from very basics. Anyone can understand, anyone can learn, anyone can code, and you will get confidence when you will complete your course, and definitely you will get more confident as a real time. Apart from that, we are also supporting you guys. If you have any problem after completing the course, we will take the mock interview and all. Okay, so we will always touch with you, we will guide you until unless we will not place, and we will support after people getting the job. After my students are still going to ping, I want to switch the another job, so we are also supporting with them. So we are always help you guys, we are ready to help you, but you have to do hard work. When you are not doing the hard work, then we can't do anything, right? Understood, right? So in the last, you have to do hard work, you have to do practice. As per the technology wise, I told you what you how to start your automation a skill. Okay, so that's all in this video, guys. If you are new in the channel, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon and share with your friends and colleagues. See you in the next video. Bye bye.